Drinky. Little one. Drinky. Is this your offspring? Looks like it. Oh. Look at this, everyone. Beautiful. No drinky pops. Booking come through. Look, mouthy up there. You look. I mean, it's quick 10 minutes of filming of this, so we'll try to. Aww. Beautiful. Sounds like a reservation come through. I'm gonna have to stop the footage in a minute, but look, how can I not film this? Puddle 2 lots. Offspring. Aren't you? To get the peanuts out. Just have to wait a minute, my phone is going manic. Sun's brought out everyone. Yeah, we got peanuts now, peanuts. Hello there. Now peanuts. No. There's some more peanuts. Let's try and give that baby one some, because I've only got so many peanuts. Well, still relying on the parents. Beautiful. Beautiful moment. Oh, no. And here we go again. You up there? No, it's not gonna do. I'll try. No. Didn't work. Never mind. Let's see what else I've got in there for you. Let's put the peanuts, the rest of the peanuts in the water, maybe. Peanuts in the water. Mum and Dad. Peanuts. Please. Guys. There you go. No peanuts. Hopefully they'll come to the water afterwards. We'll see. I'll try again. One more peanut that way. No. So beautiful though. Look everyone, look. Zoom in on it. By the way, these are the Puddle 2 lots, not Puddle 1 over in Canberra. These are over in Burmarsh. And that is the big baby. Yeah, big baby. You're a big baby. You are. Have some water then, I've got no more nuts. Sorry for saying that, everyone, on that. You're all nuts. Fruity nuts and hazelnuts. Yes. Well, that's enough footage on there. 4:34. That probably takes 7 years to upload on my Wi-Fi. Because I'm not in a fixed place at one time. I can't have steady cam on Wi-Fi. Right, stop it there.